minute, man. Every second, every minute, man. Every second, every minute, man. I swear that she can get it, man. I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high.
Good morning, Queens again. Good morning. Y'all, you hear that phone going off back there? It's a group message. You know, they trying to get all the aunties up. Definitely these two. Before we go get breakfast, y'all done been here, what, day 3 and still ain't made the breakfast yet. I'm tired. Auntie tired. Auntie can't go be out all night long in them streets and then jump up like that. No days are over, baby. We definitely need a 12-hour shift of rest. Matter of fact, 24. But in this case, what time we went to sleep last night? What this morning? We went to sleep 4:30 this morning. And it's 7 something. We need more than 3 to 4 hours sleep. Rest, whatever you call it. So we finna go try to go to Breakfast Club. We're gonna try to make it there. I'm tired, y'all. I do see. That's why I'm glad I made my mind up to take 2 extra days off from work when I return. Cause honey, y'all know I wasn't gonna be no good. It ain't gonna be no good. I supposed to be getting ready while she not take her shower. Cause you know I took mine last night. Had to, child. That little piss was gonna eat me alive if I ain't take a bath. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna need to take a bath to wake up though, cause baby, this is not to be. But anyways, I'm supposed to be getting up to find something to put on. I think I'm gonna wear my romper today. So get on up. That bed feels so good though. Whatever else is on the agenda, I have no idea. What else is on the agenda, I have no idea. But if we don't get up right now, get up while we can, we're gonna be having breakfast at McDonald's. Cause I already asked them, they Uber Eats my food from Breakfast Club. Cause I want to get the experience, but child, you know what? I'm finna get up. Yup. I'm finna get up. Just give me 5 more minutes and I'll get up. So I'll go now. Go. Oh.
Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you a black girl, if you a black girl, if you a
JP, my neck, my back, so buttery brown. My neck, my back, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so buttery brown.
Y'all, this is the Breakfast Club. How the hell you get up in this? Girl, I mean, motherfucker is. So it automatically be brunch when you get here. Girl, this is the line. Oh my God. We'll never make it that over there.
Yeah, that food better be good. We able to park it.
I don't think we able to park. No, because it's full. The parking is full.
Go see where that red car at.
So people have to pretty much.
We got little babies outside waiting to eat.
That's what I just seen people walk from over there and walk over here.
Yeah, so yeah, you gotta park somewhere and then walk.
You put some people outside.
Give me the one outside, shit.
My neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
okay, let's double up. They said we gotta double up a little bit. But this, it is smaller than what we thought it was. No wonder the line is so long, because there ain't too many where to sit. So this is it. Y'all, we is deep, baby. We ain't kind of place. City is in the building. This is gonna be delicious.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that.
Okay, y'all. So me and my sister about to go down to the beach, to the pool, because we ain't doing the zip lining and none of that. They want 150 deposit as well as 150. What? $300 we got to give up front for ordinary for the. No, that's okay, baby. It ain't all that. So we're just gonna go down to the pool. You know, get a little sun in, get a little water on the body, glisten, take a little cute little pictures, and pretty much we'll be back up here, child, because we're going to Club Camp. What it is? Camp Houston. We already made a reservation. We have to be inside the building by 7 o'clock. So we leaving here around 5:45. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? 1 o'clock? 1:21. So yeah, so we're gonna go have a little cover up. Well, it ain't really covering up too much now, because cakes is out, baby. They are out.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you
JP. My neck, my back, so butter rip brown. My neck, my back, my back, my back. My neck, my back, so butter rip brown. Oh my, oh my, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back.
every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it.
So what was the point of reservation?
Bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
It's all I want us to be. Oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you wanted to, so come on, stop running. I wanna get with you.
I'm trying to bust all on, bust all
Bend over, shake that little ass in the middle, like, what a nigga gotta do for your number? Show the game for the day. It's your birthday, it's your birthday. Bad bitch, contest, you in first place.
You're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's
I'm trying to bust on low,
Birthday beat.
bust on low, bust on low. I'm trying to bust on low, bust on low, bust on low, bust on low. I'm trying to bust on low, bust on low, I'm trying to bust on low, I'm trying to this little bitch, little bass, little bass, little bass, this little bass, little bass, little bass, this little bass, little bass, little bass, little bass, this little bass, little bass.
I want to try it.
Pretty much over with. They just brought me a cluster. Then I gotta pay for everything fucking separate. Corn and potato, eggs, and shit. This is crazy.
All right, y'all, so we're back at the hotel. I'm gonna sit down for a moment so I can explain. Damn, these chairs off. Explain this to y'all. This last day here, Kamp was a fucking scam. Houston Kamp Klub, whatever the fuck you want to call it, well, y'all just basically seen us at, it was a scam. Ballers there that running the store $60 was $400 some. So what we all had to do was put in $63 a piece for a reserve a table for $1,000 for all of us. Now it's supposed to be drinks and food included in that $1,000. So we thinking that we have money to splurge and buy food. The ballers is what ran the tab up. Soon we sat down. $400 for a fucking bottle of Hennessy bottle regular that you get out the liquor store for no more than $60. After that, then you got other people buying food. The seafood that I had, the cluster was just $21. They said it was a seafood ball. It didn't come with nothing else. Everything else was separate. So that ran it up. The vibe of the DJ, he sucks. He sucks like a motherfucker. You seen us vibing, but it's just here and there. It was like splatter, just here and there vibe. Now, we done left there because we over it, because you can only reserve the table for a certain amount of hours, so we had it from 7 to 10. So by 8:30 or so, we was ready to go, honestly, because like I said, the vibe was off. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna go make the best of it. The rest of us came back to the hotel, so we're gonna sit down there for a couple of hours, and come back and pack so we could get up and leave early. I'm just over it. I'm really over it now, cause ain't nothing go to plan, nothing. But we had fun. I'm not gonna take that away. I had a good time up to this point here, to this night here. I had a good time, cause we spent, well, after we gave the $3, we still went over $500 some extra dollars, because people were still ordering stuff, because we thinking that we still gonna order, not knowing that the ballers was $400 some. What? Why would y'all get ballers for $400 some then? So therefore the tab done ran up high. So We went over $500 some. So now everybody got to give an additional at least $40 before we can pay for this extra towel. So that means I done spent $102, well, I'm saying $103 for a cluster crabs. Clusters, one cluster, corn, 2 potatoes, 2 eggs, and fruit shots. Nope. No. So go downstairs and try to make the best of this, cause baby, a bill pretty much ran up here in Houston. I'm over it. And then the hotel charged $26 a night for parking. Yep, $26. So I'm over it.
Every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up